Okay, in this session, we're going to display the printed submittal. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I've printed the submittal to my desktop so we can view it on the screen. Now, one of the advantages of using the system is that I don't have to print an actual report. I can print that report to a file and display that file and then manipulate that file if I want. So for the purpose of it, that's what I'm doing. So I've got it here. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to use the notepad to open it up. Okay, so this is how it prints. And you see it says opening schedule project, NETI job, architect's name, contractor, supplier. Here I've just got a test. It has my name, the job number, the date it's submitted. And that's what comes out on the first page, page 1. Page 2 is key and comments and qualifications. If I had them, they would display there. Here is page 3, which lists all the manufacturers that are in my job. Page 4 is the opening index that comes out automatically with the opening number, the hardware set, and any key sets. If I had it in there, that would come up. And page 5, here's hardware set 01. And the legend of how to read it is opening quantity type, width by height, thickness, the minutes or the label, the swing, if there's an alternate code, the location on the second line, the door information, door material, door elevation, facer gauge, and then the second line is face material is for frame material, frame elevation, the jam width, the gauge, the wall, the anchors, the sill, and the undercut. So if we look at it here, we can see 101, one single, 3070, inch and 3/4, 20-minute, right hand, wood door, cherry, aluminum frame, elevation 101, 4 7/8 is the throat, and a 3/4 undercut. So that's how it's listed. And if we scroll down, it shows all the openings on the left, and the next page shows more openings for hardware set 01, and I'm just paging down. Page 7 continues with more openings 01, and then we can see here that it shows the hardware code, the item code 101. There's a quantity of 90 hinges, and its description, 30 storeroom locks, and we have the closers, kick plates, wall stops, and seals. And that's what's showing on that hardware set. And the next one is the next hardware set. And I continue to scroll down, and it shows that one. And when it printed a file in Notepad, it's not showing the spaces between the pages. It's just grouping it all together. But we see here it says page 10. So it breaks and goes and prints to a new page. And here's hardware set 04, and that's the end of that submittal. So when you print it, it comes out automatically. The submittal comes out automatically in the format as a submittal. And something we are currently working on to print the catalog cuts automatically based on these item codes. And that's something that we're very excited about, that we are planning to hopefully have it up and running by the second quarter of 2008. So this ends this session, and we are at the end on the first phase of estimating, and the next series of sessions will talk about the various reports that we can generate based on our bid/submittal.